Welcome to the goal setting tutorial for Percorso. Over the next few minutes, I would like to guide you through the process of goal setting and getting started with Percorso this year. Take some time, first of all, to reflect upon your goals for the year. Hopefully, you've thought about your ability to fulfill the duties and tasks of being an ordained priest. The seminary prepares you for those duties through 5 institutional outcomes: Christian discipleship, formation, theological thinking, communication, and collaboration, which are all related to the 4 dimensions of formation: human, spiritual, intellectual, and pastoral. In Percorso, we have presented you several questions to focus on a handful of goals for this year to help you to fulfill the 5 institutional outcomes underneath the 4 dimensions of formation. To begin, log into Percorso. Initially, you'll see a screen asking you to set your goals. The first portion will be set a few areas that you would like to work on. These selections will help drive your program goal setting below. Depending upon which questions you check, specific goals will be stated for you to focus on in this year. So for example, in pastoral formation, maybe you would like to have the ability to empower leadership from others or accept the authority of others. In human formation, you're looking to develop greater self-confidence this year. Maybe in academic or intellectual formation, you'd like to use academic learning in practical situations. And in spiritual formation, your hope is to maintain a spiritual life this year. Again, depending upon the questions that you have checked, specific program goals will be listed. We ask you to select at least 5 program goals. So for example, desiring to display good listening skills, respecting others, welcoming feedback, having a greater empathy, and potentially displaying humility and non-judgmental attitude. As you then scroll down the page, you will see goals related to the results of your Strength Finder. Your 5 signature strengths were placed within Percorso to help you to be able to develop goals that relate to your signature strengths. So for example, if you're an achiever, connectedness, discipline, harmony, and responsibility, goals are suggested for you related to those signature strengths. We ask that you select at least 3 Strength Finder trait goals for this year. And lastly, an opportunity to select individual goals. We encourage you to select and or create at least 3 individual goals. These may be goals that you're working on with your formation advisor, your supervisor, or spiritual director. We've offered some opportunities for you to select pre-established individual goals. Something on here may fit exactly with what you're looking to work upon this year, or there's an opportunity to establish your own goal. So for example, looking to be early to events, getting to bed on time, and then possibly you want to establish a goal of your own. Making the decision whether this is a narrative or measured goal is the difference between something that you could track on a daily basis, something that would be quantifiable, or something that is qualitative, meaning narrative, something that might occur several times throughout the year, but not on any measured basis. Give it some definition. And immediately then the goal will save. When you establish all of your goals, then you can click Submit.